Unusual buildings. There are some very unusual buildings around the world. In China, there is a great building for music fans. It is an office. It is in the shape of a piano with a violin in front of it. There is a lift inside the violin to take people up to the next floor. It has got a lot of windows, but it hasn't got any bedrooms or kitchens. Jan Sonke's house in Malawi, Africa, is a football fan's dream home. The 4-story house has got a bathroom, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a living room. It has also got a great view from its windows. The outside is all metal and the inside is all wood, so the house is cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Why is Jan's house so special? It is in the shape of a football.
Maybe I'm crazy, but I love football.
Jan